Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood. This no way, it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty, please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean, when you talk about yourself, you are wrong. Change the voices in your head, make them like you instead. So complicated, look how big you'll make it, filled with so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I can think of, chased down all my demons, see you do the same. Ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty, please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect.
The whole world's scared, so I swallowed the fear. The only thing I should be drinking is an ice cold beer. So cool in line, and we
Dear
try.
Serena, my world is falling apart, and you're the only one who would understand. My father left my mother for a 31-year-old model. A male model. I feel like screaming because I don't have anyone to talk to. You're gone. Your dad's gone. Nate's acting weird. Where are you? Why don't you call? Why did you leave without saying goodbye? You're supposed to be my best friend. I miss you so much. I'll split.